Hello, course creators. Let us admit that in traditional online courses, engagement of students are not even 50% of the social media engagements. The problem isn't your content, it's the experience. Today I'm going to show you how to transform your LearnDash courses into a modern, vertical video experience that students engage and actually want to complete. This is LearnDash Short Video Mode. Let's dive in. Before we install anything, let me show you what we're building. This is what your lessons will look like. Full screen, vertical video format. Dark theme that puts your content front and center. On the right side, you have your action buttons. 1. A progress ring showing how far the student is through the course. 2. An info button to see lesson details. 3. Full screen toggle. 4. Mark complete button. 5. And exit to go back to the course. Navigation is intuitive. Click the arrows or use keyboard shortcuts to move between lessons. On mobile, it's even better. Students can swipe up and down to navigate, just like the apps they already use every day. And it's not just for video lessons. Topics, quizzes, and assignments all work beautifully in this format. Before we install, let's make sure you have everything you need. And number 1, this is crucial, you need to have the LearnDash 3.0 theme active. That's the LD30 theme. If you're using an older LearnDash theme or a third-party theme that doesn't use LD 3.0, the settings won't appear. Let me show you how to check this. If you can see this LearnDash 3.0 tab in your settings, you're ready to go. All right, let's install the plugin. I'll show you the manual method. From your WordPress dashboard, go to Plugins, then Add New. Click Upload Plugin at the top. Choose the zip file you downloaded. The file is called LearnDash Short Video Mode.zip. Click Install Now and wait a few seconds for WordPress to do its thing. And that's it. Installation complete. Now click Activate Plugin. You should see LearnDash Short Video Mode in your plugins list, showing as active. Now go to LearnDash LMS in your sidebar, then click Settings. Click on the LearnDash 3.0 tab. This is where all the theme settings live. Scroll down and look for Short Video Mode. It should be right below the responsive video option. Here it is. You'll see a toggle switch and a description that says, Transform video lessons into a full-screen vertical short video experience. Simply toggle it on and click Save Changes at the bottom. That's it. Your courses are now in short video mode. No configuration needed. No content changes required. Your existing courses will automatically display in the new format. Let's see it in action. I'll open one of my courses. Here's my test course. Let me click on the first lesson. And boom, there it is. Full screen vertical video experience. The video is front and center. Let's go through each feature. This progress ring shows I'm at 15% completion for this course. It updates automatically as you complete lessons. The info button opens this panel with lesson details. Any text content or descriptions you've added will appear here. Tap outside or click the X to close it. Full screen mode removes even the browser Chrome for a completely immersive experience. Press Escape or click again to exit. The complete button marks the lesson is done. It integrates directly with LearnDash's progress tracking. These arrows let you move between lessons. Up for previous, down for next. Or use your keyboard. Arrow keys, J and K for Vim users, I for info, F for full screen. And exit takes you back to the course overview. Let's see how this looks on mobile. The interface adapts perfectly. The video takes up the full screen. Here's where it gets really good. Swipe up to go to the next lesson, and swipe down to go back. There's even a subtle hint that appears to guide new users. All the same controls are available. Progress, info, full screen, complete, exit. The info panel slides up from the bottom on mobile devices. Short video mode isn't just for lessons. Let me show you how other content types look. Topics work exactly the same way. Notice the badge changes to say Topic with a different color. Quizzes are interesting. Since they need more interaction, the interface switches to a scrollable content mode. If you found this helpful, make sure to like and subscribe. Drop a comment below and let me know how short video mode is working for your courses. Links to download the plugin and full documentation are in the description. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.